Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Pratik. If you are struggling with speaking English fluently or feel like you have hit a roadblock, then this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 5 awesome hacks to help you improve your spoken English instantly. And trust me, these are not your usual boring tip. These are fun, easy and highly effective. And yes, if you stick around till the end, hack number 5 is my personal favorite. It's going to blow your mind. Now we all know how much time we spend on your phones, but what if I told that your phone could be your secret language teacher? Switch your phone's language to English and here's the magic. You will start seeing all your apps in English. From settings to notifications, you will notice yourself learning words and phrases you never even thought of before. I'm going to share my personal story. I remember the first time I did this, I had no idea where the gallery app was. I was like, wait, did my phone change completely? But over time I got used to it and now I can't imagine my phone being in any other language. So pro tips for you, I'm going to share you. Try doing this with apps like YouTube, Instagram or even your social media accounts. Trust me, it's a fun way to learn. Give it a try for a week and see how many new words you learn. Hack number 2 is the mirror technique. This next hack is something I swear by. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself and start speaking in English. I know it sounds a bit weird at first, but let me tell you, it works wonders. Pretend you are having a conversation or giving a mini TED talk. It helps with fluency and makes you comfortable with speaking. If I talk about my personal story, I still do this sometimes, especially when I am alone in my room. I talk about my plans for the day, what I want to eat for a lunch, or sometimes even just random thoughts. It helps me practice without any pressure. Just go in front of the mirror and say, today I am improving my English and I am confident in my ability to speak. Don't be shy, try it now. How did it feel? Pretty cool, right? You just practice and you didn't even realize it. And hack number 3 is learn the art of shadowing. This one is a game changer and it's trending everywhere. It's called shadowing. That means shadowing is when you listen to a sentence in English and immediately repeat it after the speaker, copying their tone, speech and pronunciation. It's like you are mimicking them. So if I talk about my personal story, I first learned about shadowing while watching cricket commentary. I tried to mimic famous commentators like Harsha Bhogle and even thought I sounded nothing like him. It really helped me with pronunciation and fluency. I mean, I might not sound like a commentator just yet, but hey, I'm getting better. Let's do this. I will say a sentence in English and you repeat after me, okay? Here we go. Every day I get better at speaking English. Ready? Go. Like this, you can practice your sentences with your own word and see how much easier it was to say that when you repeated it. Practice shadowing for just 10 minutes a day. You will amazed at the improvement. So hack number 4 is join online speaking communities. Sometimes the best way to improve is to get out of your comfort zone, and what better way to do that than joining online communities. There are so many online platforms, Reddit, Discord, Facebook groups, where you can find English speaking groups. The best part, you can make mistakes without any judgment. And you will meet people who are on the same journey as you. I'm coming to my personal journey. When I first started talking to strangers in English online, I made so many mistakes. There was one time I confused the words recipe and receipt, and the person thought I was talking about a shopping list instead of cooking. It was awkward. But hey, that's how we learn, right? Join these groups, interact and learn without fear of mistake. Hack number 5. Create a 5-minute daily routine. Now this last hack is the one that changed my entire approach to learning English. Make it a point to speak for just 5 minutes every day. Yes, you heard that right, only for 5 minutes. Talk about your day, describe your surroundings or even talk about something you watched on TV. Come to my personal story, I started doing this every morning while brushing my teeth. It's become a part of my routine now. Even if no one's around to hear it, I just talk sometimes. I even talk to my pet, pretending I am telling him all my plans for the day. I'm gonna share a pro tip for you. Pair this 5 minutes routine with listening to English podcast or audiobooks. It's like a double warming of learning. You listen and then you speak. So that's it for today, folks. Remember, improving your English is all about consistency and having fun while doing it. Don't stress over making mistakes. Even mistake is an opportunity to get. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.